In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update client insurance information in SimplePractice. Keeping insurance details current ensures your claims process smoothly and your records stay accurate. So let's walk through it together from start to finish. Begin on your SimplePractice dashboard and navigate to Clients. Select the client you want to update and open their profile or overview page. This is your hub for all client-specific details. Next, click Edit. You'll typically find this near the client's name, and it unlocks the fields you'll need to change. Now move to the Billing and Insurance section. This is where all insurance-related information lives. Under Insurance Info, you have two options. If the client has a brand new plan or an additional policy, click the plus button to add Insurance Info. If you're just updating an existing entry, find the current plan and click Edit. Either way, you'll be able to adjust the payer, member ID, policyholder details, co-pays or co-insurance, and the policy's effective dates. As you fill out the required fields, take a moment to confirm accuracy. Make sure the payer name and payer ID match what's on the card, and that the member ID is entered exactly as shown, including any letters. For the policyholder, enter the correct name, date of birth, and relationship to the client, for example, self, parent, or spouse. Set the policy effective dates carefully. If a plan replaces an old one, update the date so the old plan isn't billed by mistake. If it's an additional plan, be mindful of which plan is primary versus secondary, as that affects billing order. If the client has a specific copay or co-insurance, add it here so your invoices and super bills reflect the right patient responsibility. If relevant, upload the front and back of the insurance card under Insurance Cards. You can use images or a PDF. Aim for clear, well-lit scans with all key details visible and free of glare. This helps your team verify information quickly and reduces back and forth with payers. Always handle these uploads securely and avoid including unnecessary personal data in notes. When everything looks correct, click Save or Save Client to apply your changes. Saving locks in your updates, and you should see the new or edited plan reflected under Insurance Info immediately. That's it. You've updated client insurance details in SimplePractice. Keeping these fields complete and accurate helps prevent claim denials and saves time on follow-ups. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this walkthrough anytime you need a quick refresher.